Hello, fellow drivers. I'm going to quickly show you the loop recording setting. As you see here, you are currently on a 3-minute loop, which means each recordings will be for 3-minute increments. Let's go ahead and show you the options on how to change that. Hit the OK button to make sure you're not recording. Hit the menu button. Go to loop recording. You'll see the option to turn it off. You have 3-minute recordings, 5-minute recordings, 10-minute recordings. So 3, 5, and 10. We recommend 3, but of course, completely up to you. Hit the OK button. Go back to your main menu. Hit OK. And now all your videos will save in 3-minute increments. Remember, once your card is full, it'll loop record and delete older video with your newer videos. So be sure to save the videos that you lock, and we'll show you how to do that in another video. Thank you so much for watching.